So, project this week is to remove this sink, this vanity unit, the whole bath, the shower screen, the shower, and then we're going to put a new sink unit in, a new bath in, new shower screen, and the new riser rail. So progress update. Basin's out. Bath out, so I can see what kind of damage is underneath. So we're taking the bath out. As you can see, the silicone, it's all cut. And also, the legs aren't even down properly. So, end of the day, bath is level, as you can see. Mr. Buble says level. Mr. Buble, it says it's level. Waste is all connected and tested. New pipe work underneath for that as well. That's all connected. Shower screen bracket is all up. Ready to go. All I've got to do then is to put the shower screen up tomorrow, sort the shower out, silicone the bath in, then I've got to do the basin, get that all prepped and in, and then the spotlights. And then I've got to sort this toilet out as well. What it does is move, so that needs bolted back to the wall. But yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. The bath, I'm not gonna lie, getting that bath in was an absolute hard getting that bath in, put it that way. But yeah, it's in. It's not moving anywhere. Hi guys, shower screen's all done. Shower's all in. Bath's all in. Sink is all in. Toilet doesn't move anywhere. Cupboard is looking really nice. But yeah, all done. Not bad at all. And new lights as well, all 4 lights working.